Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking back in on the biotech sector. Haven't really been liking the trading. We had a false bearish reversal signal 2 days ago that was negated, and lots of back and forth. We have been rejected from the 100-day moving average resistance 2 days in a row, along with the middle Bollinger Band resistance, and now the 50-day has been lost as support after gaining it yesterday. So there's a lot of resistance between 53.04 and 53.46. Support is going to be the 10-day moving average, which will be around 51.80 or so at the open tomorrow, and looking like we may test that level. We are still maintaining support here in the low $52 range, but the rejection from resistance, the red candlestick, which is a bearish reversal candlestick, has us looking for a potential pullback. That being said, check out my SPY video. The bulls are looking good in the S&P 500 heading into tomorrow. So if that helps carry the biotech sector, we'll look for a bullish MACD cross, and if we get a close above this 100-day, that will be a bullish indication. Weekly chart, I don't like the weekly chart for XBI. I want to look at IBB instead for a gauge of the biotech sector, and that's because these levels are clear. We have bounced right off that 200-week moving average 3 times in the past 4 months, 248.72, and the key resistance is 265.73, 267.65. So those ranges are going to tighten. I don't anticipate to see a break until next week at the earliest, and if not, then likely early June. And that's when the biotech sector is going to come back to life with opportunity. When we get a clear break in one direction or the other from this weekly channel, we should see a short term, and by short term I mean maybe a week or two, trade in one direction. Like we got here, we got a month, 5 weeks of upside on a bullish break. And we'll be looking for the same, not saying it's going to be bullish, but whichever direction it's in will allow us the flexibility to play either LABU or LABD. So let's check in on LABD to see where our support is here. Rejected from the middle Bollinger Band resistance, trying to fend off a bearish MACD cross, and tons of moving average resistances to keep an eye on. So LABD is seeing some weakness, LABU holding up well, maintaining these higher lows on this little bounce we've seen the past 3 weeks, but also seeing moving average resistance. So there's no clear direction here on LABU or LABD, which is why I'm watching the IBB chart on the weekly time frame, and I would personally not be playing the biotech sector. There's plenty of other tickers and plays out there until I get a clear move in a clear direction, and that's what I would personally be waiting on. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.